Alright, welcome everybody, it's Mad Hash here, and today we're going to be playing some Dark Souls 3. I'm going to be giving you a let's play on how to be amazing at this game. So we're going to start a new character.
Yes, indeed.
Nope, don't care. So, first off, you have to give character a cool ass name. Now, let's think of a name. Bob. He has to be mature. The life ring. Now, by all these classes have their own unique personal things, but we're gonna pick deprived because that's the best one to use when trying to be absolutely pro at this game. Start giving yes. All right. Now you might see some lag in the game, which is very customary while being a pro. The lag should have no effect on your gameplay whatsoever. You should kill this guy. Kill. Oh my god, he hit me. Get away. Get away, get away, get away. Kill that guy. What the hell? Cleric Sacred. I didn't even read it in time. Holy shit, what are you? I missed. There we go. Alrighty. We got here. Bonfire. Now we're just gonna run. Body slam. Damn it. Now I know what you're probably thinking. I'm not the best Souls player, but I am one of actually the greatest. Just don't mind that blood splatter right there. Please sit down. Don't stand up. Don't. Ah. Alright. And you're just gonna... Nope! You got me. No, you got me again. Who is this guy? Ooh, I like that sword. Remove sword. How about we don't remove sword? He's got a bad backrash right there. Look, buddy. I'm just trying to help. I want the sword. Can I have the sword? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, you're moving. Yeah. Friends? Yeah? Nope. He doesn't want to be friends. Hello, sir. You have a second to talk about Jesus Christ? Dodge. Eh. Gotcha. What are you doing? Ow. That unpleasant. Sir! Heh. Let's go through the freaky fog shit. Oh, hello! Nice how you waited for me. You really need to get that backrash checked out. I'm just saying. It'd be nice. Anybody ever tell you look nice in that armor? No? No one? That's a shame. Yeah. Get away. Get away, get away, get away. Yeah. I'm over here now. Oh my gosh! He's got the hops! No more of those, please. Don't worry, I got this all under control. Hello. Nope. What? What are you doing? Body slam. Dodge. Yeah. What you got? Huh? Yeah. What do you got? What is this? Fire bombs. Okay. Man, I've used almost all my healing potions. Ooh. What you got? 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 Bitch! Oh no. Oh no. Wow! Get wrecked! Ah! Hey, what are you doing? Huh? Taking my victory from me? And yeah, for you. You jackass. Alright, we have no ways of healing. This should go well. Hello, Udix. You son of a bitch. Ooh. Scary. Huh? Oh, hey! I have a personal bubble, and you're invading it. It's uncool. Let's just be friends. I don't want to fight you. You don't want to fight me. I want to help you so that horrible back rash gets treated. I mean, I look like you need the help. You look like you need the help. What am I doing? Dang it. Oh no. No! Okay. Okay. Look, man. That back rash looked bad before, but it just looks a lot worse. Oh no. Whoa. You can jump much higher now. Oh. Oh. Damn it. Alright. I'm back again for you in your bad rash. Let's go. Let's tango. Let's dance. I wonder if I could kick you off the edge. Nope, you don't like that idea. Alright. I'm totally in agreement with you. I'm back up now. Holy shoot! You moved up fast. I just want to help you, man. The back rash is getting bad. I'm just trying to be your friend. Any friend would help you. It was a nice effort. Okay, now you're growing all freaky shit. You and your damn back rash. Hello. Ow. Ow. Not cool, Steve. Bill? What did I tell you about shooting fire arrows at me? It's not cool. Hey, Steve. Bye, Steve. Let's try these fire bombs. Hey, man. I got some ointment. Whoa! Just chill. Just chill. We're just chill, mates. Bitch. Ass. Give me these. Hey! What you do? What you know about me, huh? What you know about me? What? You know what? You need a name. What should I name you? Greg. Your name is Greg. How are you doing, Greg? What? God dang it. Alright, Greg. I'm coming in. I've come to relieve you of that back rash. See, this time I got my shield on my back. See it? Eh? Eh? No. Still don't give a shit, huh? Come on. Let's just talk. Huh? Walk around in circles all day? Yeah? What you gonna do, huh? You know what, Greg? It's gonna suck when I beat the shit out of you with this club, huh? Gosh, dang it. Hey, Steven. Steven? I don't need your shit right now. I have to go talk to Greg. Ooh. What is that? Greg! I did something. I'm gonna use it on you. Don't take it the wrong way. Whoa! Oh! That almost looked cool. What you got, huh? What you got, Greg? What you got? Ooh. Greg getting awfully close. You always gotta bring up your rash, don't you? Oh, no, no, Greg. Greg. Greg? Tired of your shit, Greg. Let's go. Let's go. Huh? What you doing? Huh? You and your damn rash, Greg, I swear. Oh, Greg. Oh, Greg. Greg. Oh. Sit your ass down, Greg. Sit it down. Sit it down. Shit, yes, we have the coil sword. Can we use that shit? Hey. Where's my sword? I demand a sword. Open sesame. Yeah. What's this? Whoa! Broken straight sword. No, that's shit. Whoa. Hey, guy. Whoa! Bruh. One at a time. Huh? You got a shield? I got a shield. Huh? Let's go, shield. Oh, no. No. Bitch. Fall off the edge. I'm gonna fall off this edge. Do. Hey, what's up, guys? Ow. Hey. Come on. This ain't fair. Ow. I did all that on purpose. Ha. Alright. Is this the door? Ooh. That looks fancy. Whoa. Oh. Hello there. What do you got? What does it take to use you? Let's buy this shitty sword.
Ashen?
Don't care.
Well,
There.
very well, then Tuphaken.
Upload that. There. You happy?
Farewell.
What the hell am I supposed to do now? Wait. Wait. What? No! I was gonna use that. Man, our guy looks straight ugly. I like it. Jump down here. Oh look, a bonfire. Roll. Ta-da! Yeah. What you got, huh? Oh, look at you. Whoa. Man, you're a whole new... Okay. You should have died. Hey, what's this? Firebomb. I like firebombs. Shut up. No, 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 no. Don't. Whoa. Who do you think you are? Oh no. Going back to our club. Look at you, piece of shit. Oh, that failed. Oh, there it fell. Yeah. Gotcha. Surprise! Whoa. Fuck that table. Let's see here. Oh, what's up, man? What you doing? Huh? What? God, you suck. Who the hell? You an asshole. Yeah. Holy shit, hog. I just jump right on past you guys. Don't mind me. Gotta keep going. Oh, came in. I'm impressed. 10 shot. Alright. Maybe you won't see me. A club. I already have a club. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it, we got it, we got it. We got it, we got it. There we go. Alright. That obviously could have gone better. What's up, man? Nope. Ow. Rude. Did I come this way? Oh, what's up, man? It's a nice dog you got there. Oh. Ow. Just, please. Sit down. Bruh. Yeah, I don't like this place. I'm gonna go back up there. Alright, let's go back to the shrine. Sick and tired of this place. Let's go right out of shrine. There's gotta be shit out here we've missed. Ooh. Oh, hello there, sexy. This one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Sit down. Please. Hello there. Hey, he kinda looks like me. So, whoa, okay. What you doing? Whoa, 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 what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. Oh, no. No, 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 no. I just dropped off the edge. Okay, everybody. Well, this has been a good Let's Play so far. If you liked the video, please leave a like on the video. And if you want more, subscribe. And if you really want to see more of this, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to try to make more. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.